If you're struggling standing up from a sitting position, then I want you to watch this video, because in this video, I'm sharing with you what I have used with thousands of my patients in my clinic through the years in helping them stand up from a sitting position without struggling. And it has been a total game changer for them. I divided this into 4 easy steps. The first step is scoot forward. So normally, we're sitting toward the back like this. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to scoot halfway forward, because you don't want to be standing up from all the way back. It's going to be harder for you. Now, make sure you don't scoot too far forward, because you don't want to fall off the chair, or you don't want the chair to tip over. The next step is I want you to position your feet properly. Your feet has to be shoulder width apart, and bring your feet back behind your knees. If your feet are too close together, you will lose your balance and it's harder to get up. So with your feet shoulder width apart, behind your knees, and you don't want your feet to be in front of your knees, because when you push down on your feet to stand up, you'll essentially be pushing back, and that will make you fall backwards. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Next is I want you to lean forward. So when you lean forward, you're moving the center of gravity in front of you, making it easier for you to stand up. For exercise purposes, when I have my patients do this, I have them cross their arms in front of them. This is so that they will not push on their thighs, or they won't be tempted to push on the armrest. So you can do the same thing. So you can cross your arms in front of you, with you halfway forward to the front of your seat, feet shoulder width apart, behind your knees, leaning forward, and the next step is to stand up. Now, when you're standing up, I want you to drive your force on both of your feet. So you're pushing your weight down on the front of your feet, and then I want your butt to be out. So I want you to stick your butt out, because that will recruit your glutes. And when you recruit your glutes, it makes it easier to stand up. So drive your force on your feet, stick your butt out, and then push up. One key thing when you do this, do not lean backwards. A lot of my patients, because of fear falling forward, they will lean back when they're standing up. And when you do that and you lean back, you're gonna fall down to your chair again. So make sure you are leaning forward. That is very crucial. Now, what if you have surgery on your leg or both legs? How do you get up? Watch this video here.